Okay, I'm going to talk about study in A minor. It can be played with 2 fingers and your thumb. In Spanish music, that's pulgar, índice, and medio. P-I-M. And what I'm doing right now might be a good exercise to get started doing that. So I'm thumb on the 3rd string, index finger picks the 2nd string, middle finger picks the 1st string. Spend some time doing this. My goal is for my hand not to move very much. Not this is dangerous. I'm lucky so far that I'm still hitting the right strings. I can move my thumb down to the 4th string also. Or the 5th string. On this particular piece, my thumb will occasionally need to move, but these 2 fingers are always on the 2nd and 1st strings. So I'm going thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. Okay, so when I first start this, and I look at the tab, I can see it has a 2 on the 3rd string and a 1 on the 2nd string. And that exists for the whole measure. And it sounds like this. So I'm picking thumb, index, middle, index, thumb, P-I-M-I, P-I-M-I. You know, slow is okay too. 2nd measure, my 1st finger, actually I take this and move it over. And though I'm not using this note on the 2nd measure, I am using it on the 2nd measure. That sounds like this. The 2nd measure is kind of divided in half to this combination of strings to now my thumb moves to the 4th string. So when I look at the first 2 measures, this stays the same. Now I move over with the same shape. Let's do it again. Third measure, I'm going to put my 1st finger up here on the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3 on the 2nd string, and my 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And both parts are the same. Then it slides back down for the 4th measure to the formation like you did in the 1st. But the 2nd half of my thumb goes way down to the 5th string. So it wouldn't be being lazy or anything to be able to just work just on that 1st line. So, I mean, with experience. So now here's slowly. 1st measure. Move over. Now this position is up actually in 3rd position, then back down. Do it again. Ready, go. Again. The next line starts out, that's the same. Then I move my 2nd finger over to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. That's place it correctly, or else I get a buzz like that. I'm still getting a buzz. That finger works better for me. The next measure, I have my third finger here on F, that's the 4th string, 3rd fret, and my little finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret also, and then my first finger on the 1st string. So 3, skip a string, 3, and 1st fret, and then open, meaning I remove my 3rd finger. So here's the first 2 measures of the 2nd line. Again, slower. Again. Moving on, it's kind of part of a C chord. So I'm on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. My first finger's on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And then my first finger moves from the 2nd to the 3rd string. And then, so here's the 2nd line. 2 lines. Ready, go. Second line. So this piece is a great start for your first fingerstyle piece.